So welcome once again to Forex Trade One. So today we will see about one-click trading that we have been trading on, and we have posted many videos about. Now today this is a very special video, a unique one, where we are going to show you that how you can automate your trading from this setup to completely automated setup, so that those traders who doesn't want to trade by themselves, or those who have multiples of number of accounts, those who are the fund managers, those who want the profit on daily basis, so all kind of traders, those who want to do automized trading, so for them we have developed this strategy from this setup to completely automized setup. So as you can see, this is the real account and this is the balance $50,000 US, and there are some trades open, but we will see, we will do the live trading and we will show you everything right away. So this is the setup. Now we will see that how this setup work. Watch the video till the end, so that we will tell you that how to set the parameters, what parameters are to be set, and once you set them, how it trades automatically. So we will see each and every aspect of this MT4 tool. Okay, so let me open the terminal for you and we will see. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the these are the parameters. This is the set file where you can set the each and every parameter as per your choice, and it will, now here you can see, just wait. So here you can see the auto trade is already set to on. So this auto trade is already set to on. Now we will see there are actually there are so many technical points, but we will just look at the basic points so that you can understand. Once you purchase this setup, our technical executive will guide you everything about each and every point. So here you can see the level to open, to buy or to sell at what strength. So this shows the percentage. Like for example, let me give the example that OD NZD is extremely strong. Okay, like it is 92%. That means you a trader should buy it. This is a very strong. So it will, if you set the parameter here 90, so it will trade those trades who are above 90% up. So here we will set so here we will set right now we will set 80. This is just for the explanation. We will set 80. Now level, percentage level to open sell. Now you can see there are some of the pairs are in negative, like 0.58, only 2%. So once it reaches below 10, so once it reaches below 10, it will sell, and this is buy. So here we will put we will put 15 for the explanation. Our executive will guide you that what is the best percentage to buy, what are the best percentage to sell. But here just we are giving you a small explanation. Our technical executive further will guide you everything, that what percentage to buy, what percentage to sell, and how to select the currency, though it will select the automatically, but just for the understanding purpose. Now next we will see the lot size. What should be the lot size? Now here we have a $50,000 real account, so we will select one lot and we will put the trade also. Otherwise, if you have $1,000 US, you can keep 0.01, 0.1 as per your risk reward preference. Now the maximum trades per pair, here we will keep 1.5 lot, and so there are so many parameters, but now we have already set up all the parameters. So here you can see FT1 master setup. We have already the file set up for this. So we will open it, and the file is here. So here you can see the parameters have already been set. You can 75 and 10. Here you can see one lot, the maximum trades per pair. So in each pair it will open not more than 10. Maximum over trades we have kept 0, but you can keep as per your preferences, maybe 10, maybe 20, 50. Maximum, this is the spread, again the technical point. Here the basket take profit. So what happens when your profit total basket means overall profit reaches to 15,000, it will close all the trade. Now the basket stop loss, that means overall your loss reaches to 5,000, it will close all the trades. So this is the condition. If your profit is 15,000, it will close. If your loss is 5,000, it will close. Here you can again set risk and reward pattern from here also. So 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, as per your choice of risk or reward pattern, you can keep the profit and loss in check. So this is the profit 1, profit 2, profit 3, profit 4 up to profit 6. So what is this? This is actually the revised SL. So what happens once your pair comes into the profit and you have set the parameters at 1,000, so after 1,000 your 1,000 will be in your pocket. It will, if the trade goes below 1,000, so that this MT4 tool will automatically close the trade. Just like same way, if it goes above 2,000, it will lock 2,000, above 3,000 it will lock 3,000, and up to 6,000 it will lock 6,000. So here you can keep this profit as per your choice and as per your holding. Like some traders are holding for weeks and months, so here you can increase and decrease your profit loss. Okay, so after that these are some of the technical points, and this is the time you can use the session, what time to start the trade, what time to end the trade. So these are all the technical points which our executive will guide you once you purchase this MT4 tool. Once you want to have it, we will guide you that how to select the session, what time to keep, what are the best timing to trade. So we will guide you about that. So this is the complete setup file, and we will just press OK. So now we will start the trading. And you will see the trades in live. Here you can see the one trade in AUD NZD has already been placed. Now AUD NZD again, as we already had explained just a few moments ago, you can see once it cross this mark 94, here the trade had already been placed. You can check here also, verify one lot. Okay, now these are the strength, individual strength meter. Like CAD is 7.9% strong, Euro is 5.9. This is on 10% basis. So out of 10 points, CAD is 7.9, Euro is 6.0, OD is 5.7, CHF 5.4. So based on this individual currency, it will select the pair. Like for example, USD is weak and CAD is strong. So it will select USD CAD and it will sell like this. So it will choose the pair based on its strength meter. So this is how the trade, now you will see in the terminal all the trades will take place automatically. Okay, so so this was the explanation how this percentages work and how this automized system works for you and how does it select the currency. Now we will wait for the trades to happen. As already one trade has already been placed. We will wait for few trades and you will see how live trading works. Okay, and as we are watching the trades, we just want to show you that this, there is a one strength to buy, open buy, and there is a strength to open sell. So this actually this actually works. Wait, this actually works on the currency strength meter here. So let me show you once. So once it goes above, here is 7.0 is selected. So once it goes above 7.0, it will buy, and we have selected here 2.0. So once it goes below 2.0, it will sell. So there are two conditions. The first condition is this one, first condition, and this is the second condition. So what does it mean? Like we had already seen 4 layer. So this is the 2 layer confirmation. So first the strength will come and individual parameter will also be set. So after the 2 layer confirmation, this will decide buy and sell. So you will have more accurate signal. So we will monitor the trades.